Okay, there's a summer's distance, right, with EMA 8, which we hit yesterday. Corresponds to the bottom of this move. So if we break this, next stop would be this 159 linear regression line. That would be next stop, which is about 9200, 9190, 9200. So let's see, or they're gonna bounce a little bit back, but there for now you can see there's a little bit resistance. So we'll see, we'll just go what market says. It's a big old move yesterday. 1300 points on Dow. Somewhere around that point. Okay, so somewhere around 9200 if we go through. It's gonna take a day or two or whatever it takes, or we're gonna have a little bounce back again to this line, upper line, which is now about 8630. So we'll see. But that's what's going on for now. Before we continue, please read the risk disclosure disclaimer. It's required by US law. It's very dangerous to trade commodity futures or trading future stocks and options. So be careful what you do. Okay. Now that we're over that, let's they're trying to go long. So we'll see, as we said, there's that resistance at the bottom of this move. Next stop would be meet with a 159 linear regression, which is around 9200. We'll see where it's gonna be by the time the price comes there. Or they're gonna move down to the bottom of this line, which is about 8620. So let's just say 8600. They can move 20 points up or down. So we'll see. Settings are same like yesterday, linear regression 159. Channel is 39, 1.7 and minus 1.7 bar one. And then we have comma 33, 1.7 and minus 1.7. Alright. We are now long on everything. Alright, let's just go along.
Order filled.
We are not going to use a stop. Let's just take a look left. Are we having any? Alright, let's take a look. These points are important that are out of our indicators. We don't look for those. We're not going to look for this. We're going to look for this one here. Okay, and then we have one here. So let's see what we did. Alright, we're in that zone. There's what price is doing. I'll just leave for those. So if you are above those lines, it's going to be a long market, going to be long. If it's under those lines, market short. It's going to be short. Always look for a good signal. Alright. There we go. I'll just close this one.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order canceled.
The reason for that is right here. Carry along. This is our signal. This is our signal.
Order filled. Order canceled.
Going on. You guys on YouTube, you're behind. I think like 15-20 seconds at least, so this doesn't count. Any of these signals you cannot take it live. By the time you see it, trade is finished. Okay, we can add another one.
Order submitted.
Above. If it goes above, it's gonna go long. And I just let's see where we are. Oh, there they are. They're coming right there. 88.95 or whatever. It's somewhere down around that price. $89.17. Alright, let's take a look. We are long on all our signals. We got the high over here, high low over here. Okay, but now we got the lower high, so let's see what's going to be here. We're still long. For a bar we got long. Plus we are staying above 159, trying to hook up. Okay.
Order filled.
All right. Let them run to this here. And we'll sell one
Order
here.
submitted.
And let's sell one on the line.
submitted.
Couple of ticks before, okay. You can buy a stop.
Order submitted.
One there. And we can buy a stop one here.
Order submitted.
Let them run. Okay, we can move this stop under this low.
Order filled.
Alright. So look
Order
at this one.
canceled.
Alright, we got saved by a couple of ticks for now. Saved by the bell there. Almost. The bell is gonna be in 6 minutes, 5 minutes. Alright, we're short for now in the green zone. There's no signal for short over here. Okay, we are going along. I think we can move this.
Order
Oh, they're
filled.
before us. Alright, 396 points. So
Order canceled.
that's it, we are finished for today. Before even market open. We are finished. We don't like these sharp declines like that. Hard times means change of trend. But we still didn't touch this line. If I drew it right. Maybe I missed it, but no, I did good. Okay, well, they're going there. There's a
Order
turn
filled.
about linear regression, and we'll go right here.
Order submitted.
Alright, but we already finished with the trading. We're still long. All our indicators were long, we are about comma, and it looks like this bar went above, well now it went, so we okay. No, no it didn't. So for the pullback zone we are still short from this bar here. Now this one is even with the upper line, the pullback zone, but we are long with a comma, and now we got a short with linear regression. So we have two short, one long. Okay, we are all three short. Okay, we are now one long. There's a couple more bars up there, and we'll be all three long. Alright, now we're all three long.
Order filled.
Alright, even before the opening, 521 points. Look at that move. They're going to this line. Even before the opening, we are there.
Order
just go on
filled.
to this line.
Order submitted.
Okay, that was a good move. Plus the bar touched the bottom pullback zone, bottom line. So we got a bar color signal. Okay, we're under here. We can come out and just make some profit, or we can wait. Because we are not open yet, another 30 seconds or so. There is gonna take. Let's just buy a stop.
Order submitted. Order
Alright,
filled.
there's
Order canceled.
just in case they decide and open and go down. It's a possibility, but we are above this line. Okay, so we'll see. If we get above, also above 159, we'll just go long. But very much we're finished for today. Results are here. Alright, now should we open in any second now? Okay, there we go. Don't chase market, just know your system. And as I said, they may decide to go lower. They could go lower to 88, 60s. And then bounce again. There you go. That's why I wanted to come out before they start. So let's see what's gonna happen on 88, 60. Are they gonna go there? And alright, we're 62 low. There's a 60 that touched it. 60 and a quarter. Alright, so there's that bounce from 60. Precise 60 and a quarter. We're going long. They want to go long there. Alright, let's go.
Order filled.
Let's go long. Okay, they decide again lower. So what's on a full scale? As you can see, they're going now lower. Lower highs, big ranges. This is big move down. Should have some reaction. Okay, there we go. Do you like that? We will come out here.
Order submitted.
was great. It's gonna be a good bounce. If it bounces, oh, it's coming down. There we go. Okay, what are they doing on so we don't care about that. Let's take a look daily again. There we are, 88.60, 88.50s. This is the top of this move. So let it do its stuff. This would be a nice move all the way to here, about 9200s. We will get it, we'll see. But all the way in 40s. That's a really big move. Which is fine with us. We'll take this for now out.
Order cancelled.
Let's just buy over
Order
here.
filled.
And then let's buy them
Order
over here.
filled.
Because we know what we can do. And we'll get out here.
Order submitted.
We'll get all three.
Order submitted.
This could be just some taking profit or something. Just because this is such a big move down. And then later we may. Okay, that could be bottom somewhere here. So we'll start buying here. More
Order filled.
and more.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oops. So as I said, you know, we did even before market, we made our daily profit more than 500 points. So there was no need more to trade, but we jumped in and went against us, so we know what to do, and we can just go. And we'll finish with this trade, and that's it. We have 7 minutes in a trading session, US trading session. It's such a big move down that I believe there's gonna be now pullback. Alright, let's go buy
Order
more.
filled. Order filled.
Okay, there we go.
Order submitted.
This here, and then we're gonna have one here.
Order submitted.
Or let's just do this way. Let's just have
Order
some fun.
canceled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Let's just have some fun. There we go.
Order filled. Order
There
filled.
we go. Alright, 6 out, 4 more.
Order
There we
filled.
go. We'll put a stop in here. All right. We could return all the way to 88.40 for now. Markets are so quick that it's just flying around. So let's see if we can, we'll just put more. You know, let's just put an like 3 all same. Threes. There's a great bar signal right here. For some reason they come in this area and they're just bouncing down, so they need to break that. Looks like if they can break this zone, they're gonna go much higher. So let's see. We'll just risk. Well, we're not gonna risk, we know what we're doing. They're trying to return over here. But watch for the area 88.40. We have 41.38 so far. So I'll move this one to 40. Alright, we're still in profit. We can come out.
Order
Alright,
filled.
there's another one out. We could have some reaction here. So we'll buy a stop.
Order submitted.
and we'll buy another one.
Order submitted.
Alright, we don't need to chase, so let's whatever happens first. We're having resistance here.
Order filled.
Alright, we're out.
Order canceled. Order
As you
canceled.
can see. Alright, that top was 43, as I said, watch for some resistance around 40s. And that's it. We were even done before the market opened. Now we are for sure done. Unless you wanna chase in the market, we know what we need to do. There's a nice 1086 points. There's that reaction. I think we're going higher. This was just a big pullback, that's why I said I expect some reaction. Was it for no reason? Let me see the news. Okay, the news is Dow falls 100 points after G7 fails to deliver policy action to combat coronavirus. So there was that reaction. But I guess once they find the good news, they'll be running along. Unless there's something else happens. Okay, let's go just, we're no highs, let's get a good signal.
Order filled.
Alright, there's a good signal. This is even better. Alright, they're coming down still. Cannot make up their mind.
Order submitted.
Can put a stop under this low and let them run.
Order submitted.
There we go. And it is here. And that there. Just running with these slows. Okay, we're still in.
Order
Ah,
filled.
yeah. There's. We did great again.
Order canceled.
It's short now, according to the zone. Long, according to comma. Short according to linear regression. Let's play comma, so we're gonna
Order
go long.
filled.
Okay. Let's quick move down again. Alright, bound market's having large support now in this zone. Unless we break 8800, and that could go down even more to 88, 87, 84. But 8800 is support. And as you can see, bouncing for now. And there's 8801. Just because we were saying that, let's go
Order
buy more.
filled.
Let's go buy
Order
more.
filled.
And we'll come out. In
Order
case
submitted.
they break 8800.
Order submitted.
Alright, almost right. Oh, almost in a couple of ticks.
Order
Right there.
filled.
And there we go. There's a good signal.
Order filled.
Let's go here.
Order submitted.
Alright, tomorrow we're gonna have a different kind of trading. We're gonna go both ways. Make money both ways. We'll buy once we go above linear regression, we'll buy again.
Order filled.
Okay.
Order filled. Order filled.
Okay. We got again good. It's a good up signal. Once gets above, we'll buy again above linear regression.
Order
A little
filled.
bit early. It's a little bit jumping, but that's fine. That was my mistake. There we are in positive.
Order submitted.
Alright, it's playing around our price. Okay, we broke 8800, so we could go down to 87.85. That's right here, we'll buy more then once hits there.
Order submitted.
Just
Order submitted.
to get there, we'll just buy 5 more. But looks like we're gonna get our profit and our target. Maybe we can move few extra ticks. Okay, we are short now. Alright.
Order filled.
Alright. Okay. And now 16. Wow.
Order
It just won't
submitted.
even let me there.
Order submitted.
This is even lower. 6.
Order submitted.
Let's take a look on the daily. What are they doing? There's that reaction on with this line, which is EMA 8. So they're pulling. So maybe even 87.35, which is bottom of this one, or this could be somewhere in this area. Or they're coming down, like I said in the beginning of the video, all the way down 86.30s, 86.20s, or even further. Are they retesting this bottom, or they'll just turn around? We'll see. Okay. Let them make their move. I pay close to our profit. It's not that far, 40 ticks, a little bit more. Okay, well, we could go back to 8800 now again. That could be a pullback. If we're gonna get one. Let's see if they can find some good news out of this. Alright, but they're not far away from 87 Tories on a daily chart. This was 86 Tories, so that's 100 some points. There we go, there we're very close again. Okay. $87.90s, 8,800. We could, if we get this pullback. And we had even our profit, daily profit, before even market open. But we're still staying here. It's 28 minutes in a trading session. YouTube, you're late behind me, so no signals are good for you. You're like 20 seconds or so behind. Result right
Order
there.
filled.
And there is. We can pick up
Order
another,
filled.
let's just say 8800.
Order submitted.
See if we are greedy over here. Are we gonna get paid, or this is it and pulling back down? Or they're gonna hit 8800. Oh, big jump.
Order filled.
Whew, that was a huge. That's even more than 8800. There's something happening. Even data is choking. Let's go,
Order
they're going
filled.
up. They're going up big time. Yeah, that was that good news, as I expected just a few minutes ago. Let's see if they can find something good. Wow, what a move. Wow, Dow is almost 257 up. From being 300 down, it just jumped 600 points. According to CNBC over here. And look at the one contract. We were just over 2,000 up.
Order filled.
There's Fed cuts rates by the 0.5%. That was the news. I just saw for a moment, yeah. Fed cuts rates by the 0.5 point, so there was that news. Okay. Well, it's easy now to trade. Any pullback, it's just a go long.
Order filled.
There you go, profit right there. Very quick. Stop we can put here. You can't even don't have time.
Order filled.
Oh, right there. Let's buy more.
Order filled.
Well, those are big jumps. Talking about 10-15 points. Wow, this was a 15 point jump. You almost feel bad to come out of the
Order
market.
submitted.
Let's buy more.
Order filled. Order submitted.
I mean, stop here, or just come out the market, or wait for your.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Alright, there's one.
Order filled.
Alright,
Order canceled.
so any pullback, it's a. For now, should be good buy.
Order filled.
There's a resistance right here and here. So we'll see what they're gonna do. That was a big run up. Of course, there's some profit taking.
Order filled.
There are those resistances.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
Alright, there we go again.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted.
Alright, there were two in still. Just some
Order
profit.
submitted. Order submitted.
Okay, we could pull back now to 8800, a little bit less, which was resistance, now is support. Maybe we could have finished in the first few minutes, but this is just to see market running like this.
Order
Right
filled.
there. I'll try to get to just have some fun to fire.
Order filled.
So we need another 700-800 points.
Order filled.
There we got our points.
Order filled.
And that's it. Well, have a wonderful trading. And we'll see you tomorrow. We'll have a bit different trading tomorrow.